I want to share with you a really cool pattern that will spice up your playing, and we're going to do this in just 2 minutes. This beginner-friendly pattern uses the thumb and the index. Check it out. Join in with me. I'm going to pluck the 3rd string with the thumb, then down with the index, then pluck the 4th string with the thumb, and then down with the index. This is a humble pattern, but it has a lot of cool implications. Learn it slowly with me. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 3rd string, 4th string, 3rd string, 4th string. Keep the rhythm steady. Don't speed up. And I recommend that you look at the thumb to train your guidance system. Pretty soon your radar is going to be so good you won't even need to look. You just feel where the strings are. And awesome. This is a great pattern for country music, for blues music. It's got a lot of cool applications. Let's try this with 2 chords now. We're going to start on the G chord, and then we'll move to a C chord. Follow along with me. Start on the G chord. Same picking pattern of thumb on the 3rd, 4th string, 3rd string, 4th string. 1, 2, here we go. Keep a close watch on this heart of mine. I keep my eyes wide open all the time. F, I keep the end out for the tie that binds. Because you're mine, I'll walk the line. Try this pattern out with this song and any other song that you love. We're going to go deeper into this in future videos. You can click right here to watch an entire lesson all about Johnny Cash, and up here, more tricks for thumb and strumming. Thanks so much for watching. See you in another video soon.